Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. IMRAN QAYYUM from Poultry House is consultant. Hope you all are fine. I am with question and answer session. And today the question is very important that what is the question? Let's know that. Is there any advantage in equipping a broiler house to run in tunnel ventilation mode with air velocity over 400 foot per minute or 2 meter per second? Is there any advantage? So, so hopefully too many people know that or maybe not know. So I will explain it. Just how effective can I expect air mixing to be in my broiler house during minimum ventilation? In terms of the bird level to ceiling temperature difference. How important is good air mixing anyway? Everybody knows that in modern houses with properly designed, installed, and operated equipment with fully automation, the bird to ceiling temperature difference can be kept as low as 3 degrees Celsius. In house with inadequate equipment or conventional house or poor inlet management, as much as 8 to 11 Celsius difference in floor and ceiling temperature have been observed. Yes, that's true. The value of having the right equipment and good management start with saved electricity cost and fuel cost. And the houses with poor air mixing often use 20-25% more fuel, more electricity cost. Yes. Further, providing the right temperature and air quality from day one is critical. Yes, it's critical. For broiler flock performance, it's critical and absolutely essential for getting top returns. Extreme temperature can be devastating during the brooding period, especially. Yes, it's very challenging. Too cold condition dramatically impact the ability of young birds. Everybody knows to get adequate feed and water. And I and if only growth is slowed, the performance losses cannot be made up during the life of the flock. Yes, it's very important. So this is our answer. Hope you satisfied. But if you have any question, please write in our video comments. Write us your question and let us know that how you answering is you answer of this question. So thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and also yes, share to your friends to promote the education. Yes, to all the world with us. So thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye.